In this video, I will show you my favorite way to felt small knitted items like this wine koozie. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Palmeri Arts and Crafts. Today, I'm excited to share my experience with felting knitted item using a tabletop washing machine. Let me take you through what inspired this project and how this little machine exceeded my expectations. So the inspiration for this project came to me during the test knitting session for a wine glass koozie last year. One of the testers mentioned she uses a tabletop washing machine for felting, and I thought it was a brilliant idea. Fast forward to when I spotted this beautiful countertop washing machine on Temu. I immediately clicked purchase, thinking if it doesn't work out, I can always return it for free. To my surprise, it worked like a charm, and today I'm excited to share my experience with you. Let's take a closer look at this tabletop washing machine. This washing machine is light and portable, equipped with an agitator that spins both ways, just like a regular top-load washing machine. The drain is conveniently located at the bottom. The suction cup at the base ensures it stays in place on your counter. Operating this machine is pretty straightforward. Simply plug in the cord and you are ready to go. There are 3 buttons: washing, delicate, and spin cycle. Another great thing about this machine is that it collapses, so it won't take up a lot of storage space. Now that we know about the machine, let's dive into felting. I'll be felting some wine glass and can koozies. If you'd like the patterns, check out this follow along video. I recommend setting this up by the sink. However, if you don't have enough space, you can use it anywhere in your house. Fill it with hot water. If you're working on small projects, a few of them can fit in this washer. I also throw in some small towels to enhance agitation. Add a bit of mild soap. I used soap for wool, but you can also use regular dish detergent. And press start. The cycle runs for 15 minutes and it beeps when it's done. The short cycle is perfect for checking the fabric condition. While the machine is working, I can work on my business. If you are still with me and enjoying this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for supporting this channel. The first cycle is done, so let's check how they look like. As you can see, it's starting to felt, but it's very stretchy and clearly needs to be worked on more. So I will be starting another 15-minute cycle. If you feel like the water is cooling down, feel free to drain and add more hot water. Then repeat the cycle. I forgot to put a kitchen sink strainer while recording this video, but remember to have something to catch the fibers so it won't cause a plumbing problem. While the washer is felting, it is also a great time to do a 15 minutes pickup, which is a part of the Fly Lady method. For those who are looking for a way to stay on top of the housework, I highly recommend the Fly Lady app and YouTube channel. I am not affiliated with a business, but I have been recommending it to everyone. She makes housework much less overwhelming. If you are interested, there is a link in the description. This is after a few cycles. The fabric feels dense and sturdy. All the items are beautifully felted. The machine comes with this little basket, which is used for the spin cycle, but I just use a big towel to remove excess water. Then put them on cans or wine glasses to shape and air dry. So that's my experience with this compact washing machine. While it takes longer than hand felting, I appreciate the hands-free option, allowing me to multitask. I've tried regular washing machines before, but they didn't work well for small items. Things got squished and weird creases appeared. For smaller projects like these, I highly recommend this tabletop washing machine. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. See you next time. Happy knitting! Bye!